Today we're going to use Cursor Pro with AI capabilities to complete an assessment. We have the Cursor version 0.49.6 with us, and it should also be the latest version installed. Okay, we are good to go. We have a folder on the desktop named assessment. Let's open it. We have two files in it. One is image, another one is YOLO PyTorch based model. We're going to use this PyTorch model to make inference on this image to detect the objects in it. Here on the right side we have a context area in which we have three options. One is agent, in which it handles everything by its own. We have ask mode, in which we can ask questions around our code base to the Cursor AI, and manual. Then we will be having a list of models with a filter of thinking capability models in it, and auto select. We're gonna use auto select because it is recommended for most of the tasks. Okay, let's begin with the context. Okay, now we're gonna put here, you are a super senior and smart developer. Okay, you have years of experience, okay, of coding. All right. Now we're gonna put the prerequisite, what you want to achieve and what you need before it. So we want to create a virtual environment with Python 3.11 in a folder. Okay, we're gonna put for the name assessment, and we're gonna give here the path. It is located at desktop. Okay, and we want to achieve below things. All right, now we're gonna put here the flow and the studio steps. Make sure the stronger the context is, the more effectively Cursor AI gonna work. So we're gonna put here what we have already. So I have a model which is yellow 11n dot by torch and an image. Okay, then we want to use the above model and run inference on the given image. Okay, then what we want to do, we want the output, we want output of labeled image and bounding box coordinates in it. All right, what you want to do then we want to convert the model. So we will ask here to convert the model. Which model? YOLO model into ONNX format. Okay, then we're gonna put here what you want to do next and run the same inference again with the converted model. All right, now we're gonna ask here the last step to generate the outputs in human readable, okay, readable format. All right, we have the script and we have the context ready. Let's fire it up. All right, it's generating something. Let's see, it should be generating first the steps. Okay, we have the steps now with this. So first it's gonna set up the virtual environment, run the inference on YOLO model, convert the model to ONNX, then run the inference again with the converted model, output result in human readable format. Okay, now we're gonna ask here to handle everything by your own, since it was asking me to generate the requirement file or to get the command. So we want handle everything by the model itself. So we have mentioned here to handle everything by its own. Okay, we have the virtual environment ready. It is installing the packages. The requirement of the packages, okay, We have the packages available to install, and okay, we have the packages ready. It is installed in our virtual environment, and it has installed the required packages to achieve our assessment. Okay, it has installed the Torch Vision, OpenCV Python, ONNX, and Ultralytics. Ultralytics is the stable package for the requirement. It is the best fit for our requirement. Okay, so we have a script ready. It has some imports, then we have some path, initial paths. Okay, we have run YOLO inference function. It will inference with YOLO model, export the model to ONNX format, rerun the inference with the converted model, and then here is our the output image saved and the main function to hit the script. Okay, it seems okay, we have the requirements file ready with us. Okay, and it is searching for the code base, making some changes. I guess it seems there are some steps in which it is running the created script. It is asking to generate. Here we're gonna generate, sorry, it is asking to accept the generated files, so we're gonna accept the generated files. Yes, we are good to go. Okay. It seems it is making some change in the existing file. We again accept it to go ahead. Okay, generating commands. Alright, it seems it is importing after installing some package. Okay, we have the output files as well. Okay, that's nice. It seems steps are complete. Now we can take a look for the visual results. Okay, all right, it seems all steps are now complete. So inference was run, model was successfully exported, inference model was run. Look, or due to simplified post processing for production, Ultralytics built-in X inference. Okay, so we're going to use this because it seems in the output of ONNX model nothing for now. Okay, I can ask here use Ultralytics, okay, built-in inference package, and rerun the test. Okay, it's now generating because we want this to be as well work with the converted model. Okay, it's making, I guess, some change in the code, in the existing code. Okay, we will accept it. Now it has the latest code. It's running the inference. Okay, exporting now. Okay, image is saved. Alright, it seems Ultralytics inference has been successfully used, and we have both results available. So we have ONNX model results as well. Alright, oh, it seems great. It seems very symmetric. It's identical. We have giraffe, we have person, we have car detected, and after the conversion of the model, YOLO model, into ONNX format, it seems the identical results with the car, person, two cars, two giraffe. It seems very identical. It's interesting. And here we have achieved our assessment. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.